You want to sell digital products, but you don't have a website and you're like me, I'm not tech savvy at all. I don't want to get involved and overwhelmed by super complicated platforms. Well, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down why StanStore is the easiest and the best way to sell digital products, but wait, also physical products. And stick around because I have a free bonus just for you. But before we get started, I want to go ahead and give a shout out to G Girl. She just published her poetry book. It's called If You're Going Through Heartache, Keep Going by Giselle G.U. Go ahead and support her. It's her first poetry book published. Go ahead and leave a comment if you need help or if one of my videos has helped you publish your book. I would love to hear from you and give your book a shout out. Without further ado, let's begin. Unlike Shopify or Etsy, Stan is a storefront created for creators. It's an all-in-one platform, and what's crazy is that to set it up is ridiculously easy. You can do it literally in minutes. For me, I'm a small creator, I'm a ghostwriter, and I'm a mom of 3, I homeschool, I have a lot of things going on. I love the fact that with StanStore, it's an all-in-one platform. For example, if I want to create online courses, I can do so there. And it's so easy to actually just upload and publish. The fact that I can create eBooks and sell them through there, I can sell physical products, maybe like a booklet that I created or something that something that's even handmade, you can sell it on your StanStore. You can also go ahead and sell your membership through there. And what's extremely cool that I want to show you is that if you are on Instagram already, there is a feature within Stan that you can go ahead and use, and you don't even need additional software. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, this is my StanStore and I have free digital products. I have eBooks. I have a product that is a 37 profitable niches list. I also have a mini course that's write and publish a poetry book fast. I even have my one-on-one coaching Zoom call, and you can do this too. But what I wanted to show you is what we have here, which is called Auto DM. I have a friend of mine who uses Instagram to market her products, and she used ManyChats. Now you no longer need ManyChats because with my Auto DM here on Stan, now it's basically when you can set it up so that if someone, you know how, have you seen those videos when they're like, oh, comment the word elevate and you can get my free guide on how to XYZ, right? Well, this is what it is. As you can see here, it says just pick a keyword, craft your message, and watch as everyone who comments your magic word, that keyword that you're prompting people to get them to comment, then they get a personalized response instantly. And what I love that it connects straight to Instagram. So if you're into Instagram, and this is such a beautiful option to choose, because not only is it easy to set up your StanStore with the products that you want to go ahead and sell or anything that you want to give, resources that you want to give for free, now you have that auto DM feature, which is so neat, and you no longer have to subscribe to any other AI software. It's an all-in-one platform. One thing that I really like about having a StanStore is that the checkout process is it's just a clean process. I'm going to go ahead and show you, and I'm going to give you an example. Let's say, for example, you're purchasing a Get 37 Profitable Niches list, right? And okay, all you need is to enter the name, your email, and click on purchase. You obviously put your card information or whatnot, and then you click purchase. That's it. So when someone goes on your StanStore and let's say they're going to buy your product, whether it's an ebook or it's something else that you're selling, this is exactly what they will see. And the beautiful thing about this is that for the most part, people are purchasing and making purchases on their phones. So this makes it so much easier for someone to just go ahead and purchase whatever it is that you are selling, especially when they know and they feel like they need it. Now, who is this for? This is perfect for content creators, whether you're small or seasoned. If you are a stay-at-home mom and you want to go ahead and sell a digital product, this is for you. If you're a coach, you do one-on-one phone calls, this is definitely for you. If you're a writer and you want to sell your writing services, you can definitely do it through your Stan Store. And what's cool is that you can actually send an invoice through Stan, through your Stan Store. It's extremely cool. I used to have to use multiple different platforms, and now with Stan Store, with my Stan Store, I can just go ahead and send an invoice right from there. If you're looking to sell maybe templates or eBooks, mini courses, memberships, you name it, this is for you. If you want to go ahead and try it out for yourself, go ahead and click on my link down below and start your Stan Store today. And if you sign up with my link, I have a special gift just for you. To help you get started, I am offering a free guide on 10 digital product ideas that you can sell on your Stan Store when you sign up through my link. All you have to do is send me proof that you did sign up, and I will go ahead and email you that free guide. Let me know in the comments down below what digital product that you want to go ahead and sell, or if maybe you want to sell a physical product. Any ideas that came to mind, go ahead and comment down below. I love to hear from you guys. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you on the next video. God bless.